How to fix not loading video spinning circle on YouTube. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The first step is to make sure you are connected to a strong and stable internet connection. Go to settings, go to connections. If you are having trouble with your internet connection, turn on flight mode for a few seconds and turn it off. After that, next step is to make sure you have the latest version of YouTube application. To do so, go to Play Store and search for YouTube. If there is an update button instead of the open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of YouTube. Next, go to settings, go to apps, find YouTube. Then on its storage section, simply tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.